don't never show you the stuff that messed up on. I'm gonna show you everything. You gonna mess up, especially when you working with D.I.Y with the wrist. Yeah. What's up, YouTube? I'm back with another video. This is your boy G with D.I.Y with the Ritson. Man, I'm at a car show, man. I want to show y'all something, man. I want to show y'all something. What are those? Oh, man, he needs some serious tread on them tires. No slicks on there. Anyway, man, we back, man, with another video, man. Up here at this car show, man, in Mobile, Alabama, man. I want to let y'all check it out, man. Let y'all see a little footage, man. It's just a little. This ain't no D.I.Y stuff, man. But you know, one day, man, when I get the truck back ready, I'm gonna let everybody know, man. When I get the truck together, one day I'm gonna be at one of these. But anyway, man, show y'all what we got, man. Come on with me. They got some nice stuff up in here. Y'all see what they got, man. This thing right here. And it's for sale. $440 RT. Oh, Elco. They got up out here. Got the old Fox body right there. Cleaning up real good over there. Classic. What else they got up here, man? They just got too much stuff in here. Too much stuff out here. That old mobile, clean. Console. Mobile, Alabama. Now this right here. Oh my. You don't see many of these. Not see many of these. You don't see many of these here. This is a Cuda Magnum engine. Big boy power. Y'all see it. Got the headers coming out the side. Sharp bed. I don't think I've ever seen a sharp bed like this. Mine would not be looking like this. No sir. No sir. I was like, that is really 1980s there. What else they got up here? Man, that's clean. That's nice. WS wheel. That's nice. Got all chromed out up in there. that's a motor Cadillac bike. Motor Cadillac bike. That was a motor Cadillac bike. I don't know what that is. Oh, flat head up in there. It's nice. Granddaddy truck right here. Old granddaddy truck. Still got the old dust in it. This right here. Oh my. Look at these interior. Wow. Can't even tell it's an old truck. The air codes back there.
Over here.
See, this is the type of stuff I like. Oh, y'all heard it? Y'all hear that? Big boy motor over here. Big boy power. Big ball power. Y'all see it? Don't even try to get up on the side of them. Ooh. Big supercharger. A little too little for me though. Got the luggage rack. Ooh, look at this C10 here. Twins on there.
That's a handed bone, isn't it?
Oh yeah, oh yeah. Got them twins on there.
Says he runs 520s in the A.
That ain't bad for this size of truck. I got a 85 I'm building right now.
I'll give you some inspiration on it.
Yeah.
What year is this one?
That's about like a 70. This is a 70s model, like maybe like a 72. This is a desire model. I got the square model. But yeah. Yes, sir. Running. Individual car packs in there. Yeah. Oh, LS1 in here. Clean setup. They got it clean. Now, that's nice. Y'all see how they got the AC coming out the side? AC is going inside in the filler. It's nice. Real clean. Inside. Oh my God. Oh my God. It's ridiculous. Got over here. Look at this thing. Here, look at this girl. Yes. Yes, sir. Got the, oh, this is all original. All original. Ooh. Boy, y'all better get that tune port injection out of here, buddy. It's clean. Looks good. You need to go and go LS, buddy. Go LS. Yes, sir. Big boy style. With your whole family now. Cadillac. Yeah, they got some stuff out here. Oh, got a couple vets over here. Vet club. I see a 01. Is that a 01? Oh, that's a 06. Yes, Z06 there. Z06. Man, y'all check this out, man. Look at this. This is. I can't. Man, look at this. Wow. Now this is a Civic, y'all. Rear drive. Big boy slicks. Yeah, that's serious. This one here got the LS2 looking like an old school. Man, I gotta step my game up. That's just nice. Monte Carlo. It's you? It's nice. That what you do? How you get your LS? Yeah, that's an LS motor, right?
LS2.
You just put like a different type of valve cover on it and remote. Yeah. Your cars up? They still under there? Huh? Your cars are still under that cover?
Yeah.
Okay. That's right. Yeah, I'm building 85 C10 with I got an LS going in it. It's nice, man. Yeah, next time I'll be here. Like this SS Chevelle over here. Supposed to put some money in these cars. Thing is, man, can't let it obsess you. Can't let it obsess you, man. It's just a hobby for me. Some of these folks go crazy when you touch their car, man. They go crazy. This is nice. SS. Long bed over here. Yeah, I got a long bed and a short bed. I'm gonna build that short bed up. A little bit. Oh, look like all original. Ooh, that boy came in that Lambo. Lambo. Real deal. Real deal. This. I'm on Ford over here. Gucci gang. Alright. Like this Ford here. I ain't no Ford guy. Ain't no Ford guy. See, that's me right there. That's more me right there. Oh, Chevy. Clean stock. Great stock. See what they got over here. Stuff over here. Mustang boys. Some Mustang boys right here. Big boy motors over here. Big boy motors. Right now, what's going on, fella? Big boy motors. See it? Get out here on no copyrights, man. Copyright, man. Get from over there. wild and crazy. Let's see what we got, man. Got the old Yanko. Old Yanko over here. Right now. What's going on, fella? Old Yanko over here, clean. You don't see many of those. If it's a real Yanko. OBS over here. And it's for sale. And it's for sale. OBS, big bar motor.
I don't want to spend $2,000 on all. I got $5,000 by me. Showing up good for it.
Big bar slips on the back of it. See it? Ford supercharged. See it? Camaro. That's nice. Original rallies. See the rallies on there? Big boy shifter. Big boy shifter. That's clean. All fat. 302. 302 motor. It's gonna be an RS. That was the Z28. Fairlane GT. They be keeping these cars at. Old Fox body over here. Fox body. Drop. 5.0. Another Chevelle. Clean. 350 in there. Old 350. Rallies on there. What is that? I don't know what that is. They got old LS in there.
Now let other people open it.
What do you got? 241 heads on there. What size LS you got in there? What size LS you got in there? 5'3"? 5'7"?
Trans Am WS.
Okay. Yeah, this is totally different.
How hard was it to fit it in here?
Them things. Alright, gang. About to get up out of here, man. Appreciate y'all, man, tuning in, man, with D.I.Y with the Richard, man. Like, subscribe, share, hit the notification bell, man. And man, let somebody else know about these videos, man. But anyway, man, I'll holler at y'all, man. I'm out.